tayo ngayon ng native na manok with halaan. Lagyan na natin yung onions. Lagyan na natin yung chicken. So, isi-sear ko muna to and then palalambulin na natin. Lalagyan natin ng water. Isisimmer natin ang 10 minutes. Pag nagmamadali, pinifilter ko yung stock nung o yung pinagpakuluan ng native na manok para lang mabawasan. Hindi naman lahat tatanggalin natin. Yung mga talagang oil lang. Mabilis na lang po guys kasi binoil na natin kahapon. Pinalambot yung native na manok. Usual, onions. Ginger. So, since luto na yung chicken, unahin na natin ilagay yung halaan. Hindi muna tayo maglalagay ng fish sauce kasi syempre may alat din to. So, later na lang pagka finishing touches na tayo, saka tayo maglalagay ng fish sauce kung kailangan pa. Lagyan na natin yung chicken. Tenderized na to guys, pinakuluan kahapon. Then ilalagay na natin yung chicken stock, yung pinagkuluan din na kahapon. I-cover ko muna to, then going to boil. Saka natin tikman kung kailangan natin magdala ng patis.
What country are you from? I will be happy if you write in the comments if you made it here. Leave a blue heart emoji in the comments so I know.
Lagay na natin yung papaya.
love to hear what you think about the dish. So please feel free to leave a comment and a rating if you have tried it. New recipes are added every week, so let's connect.
Okay na to. I-plate mo na. Okay na to. I-plate mo na.
If you made it to this point of the vlog, thank you so much for watching all the way.